Hello, my name is Alexei, and today I'm going to tell you a couple of vital facts to know about the Edexcel IGCSE ESL curriculum. The curriculum comprises 3 papers. Paper 1, reading and writing. Paper 2, listening. Paper 3, speaking, which is optional. Each part is taken separately. For any student, the most horrible enemy is time, of course. So, for paper 1, we have 2 hours. For paper 2, some 45 minutes. For paper 3, some 15 minutes. Let's take a closer look at the tasks and the format. Paper 1, 2 parts, reading and writing. In the reading part, the students will be given 3 abstracts taken from scientific essays, newspaper articles, biographies, stories, etc. They have to demonstrate the ability to understand and render the text, and of course, answer the following questions. In the writing part, the students are expected to write 3 different pieces of text. Either a letter or email, article, a report, or a summary. Summary is the most difficult in my opinion because they have to do both reading and writing. They have to understand the text in general and then to render the information in their own words. Within 20 minutes, by the way. It's quite a complicated task. Paper 2, listening. The students will listen to dialogues, interviews, chat shows, dialogues, monologues, etc. They have to do both things at the same time, listen and write down the answers. Paying attention to the line of the whole argument. That's also complicated. Paper 3, speaking. 3 tasks here. To tell personal information about yourself, then to produce a prepared talk following the bullet points given that are figured out by you or given by the examiner, and then answer examiner's questions on the topic provided. Let's take a closer look at some tasks taken from the exam. So, reading part. We have this piece of text, the history of dentistry, and the first thing to do is to answer the following question. In ancient times, what was the main cause of dental problems? We have to look through the text and find out the sentence where our answer is given. However, their teeth were worn down and damaged primarily by their coarse diet. So obviously, the answer is coarse diet. Another task, which is multiple choice. In ancient times, and we have to continue the sentence. Sand negatively affected dental health. A. Cavities were more common than now. B. There were specific dental professionals. C. Again, we'll look for a sentence. We'll look for the sentence where our answer is. It's here. In Egypt, archaeologists have discovered sand in the food the ancient Egyptians had preserved, and this must have contributed to the problem. So obviously, according to this information, the answer is A. In ancient times, sand negatively affected dental health because it was in the food. Alright, so, but the still main thing to remember is that if you're aware of time, if you're aware of the things you're expected to do, and also the ways of how do you do these things, there is no difficulty at all, and you will succeed, no doubt. Have a nice day, goodbye.